The Anna Mitra app is an official mobile application by the Department of Food and Public Distribution, developed by NIC. It is designed for FPS dealers, DFSO officers, and inspectors, and is currently available in Hindi and English. In this demo, we'll explore all the key features available for the inspector role. To get started, open the Anna Mitra app on your phone. On the login screen, first select your role, state, and preferred language. Then, enter your registered mobile number, the same number that is mapped in the RCMS system. If you see an error saying, user doesn't exist, it means that the entered mobile number is not linked with the RCMS database. Now, I am selecting the login role as inspector, then choosing the respective state, followed by my preferred language. Next, I enter the registered mobile number and tap on Login with OTP to proceed. Once the OTP is received on the registered mobile number, enter the OTP and tap on the Verify button to complete the login process. Once the OTP is verified, the app will prompt you to choose area. Once inspector select the area, then click OK Submit. The app will prompt you to create an MPIN for quicker login in the future. After the MPIN is successfully created, you'll be taken to the home screen, where all features available for the inspector role can be accessed. In the inspector section of the app, the first option is FPS in my jurisdiction. Once you tap on it, you'll see a screen displaying the complete list of FPS shops under that inspector jurisdiction, along with the total count at the top. On the right-hand side, there is a filter option called Advanced Search, which allows the inspector to filter the FPS list based on various criteria. If the inspector taps on Show All Details, complete information related to each FPS is displayed, including license number, FPS name, FPS ID, and shop category. Fields shown in red color indicate that the license validity of that FPS has expired. Additionally, if the inspector taps on Show Stock Details, they can view the complete stock information for that FPS, such as opening balance, closing balance, and the total quantity distributed. The second option is Beneficiary Sale Record. Once you tap on it, a screen will appear where you can select the month for which you want to check the beneficiary's sale data. After selecting the month, enter the ration card number of the beneficiary and tap on the Submit button. The app will then display the transaction history of that beneficiary for the selected month, showing details like transaction date, commodity name, and the quantity sold. When you tap on the Action button, the inspector can view a complete transaction receipt with all the relevant details of that sale. If the inspector wants to view all transaction records of a beneficiary at once, there's a feature on the right-hand side called View All Sale Records. By clicking on it and entering the ration card number, the app will show the entire sale transaction history. The inspector can then tap the Action button to view any specific transaction in detail. The third option is called Raise Grievance. When you tap on this feature, you'll see two sub-options, Raise Grievance and Track Grievance. Let's first look at Raise Grievance. This option allows an inspector to raise complaints directly to the DFSO under their jurisdiction. To raise a grievance, the inspector must first select a complaint category, then choose the specific type of complaint, and finally, attach any supporting documents if required. Once the grievance is submitted, the Track Grievance option helps the inspector to monitor the status of the complaint, whether it is pending, resolved, or in progress. This feature ensures a smooth and traceable grievance redressal process. The fourth option is FPS Sale Report. When you tap on this feature, you'll see two options on the next screen, Sale of the Day and Sale of the Month. Let's first look at Sale of the Day. Once selected, the app displays a list of all FPS shops with their daily sale records in one place. If the inspector wants to view the sale report of a specific FPS, they can use the Advanced Search filter to narrow down the list. By tapping the I button, the inspector can view that FPS's complete transaction details for the day, including beneficiary names, ration card numbers, and whether they are Aadhaar seeded or not. Now let's move to Sale of the Month. Here again, a list of all FPS shops appears in one place with their monthly sale summaries. To view detailed monthly transactions for a particular FPS, simply click the I button. On the right-hand side, there is also a download option to export the sale report for official use or record keeping. The fifth option is FPS Stock Movement. When you tap on this feature, you'll see a complete list of all FPS shops under your jurisdiction in one place. On the right-hand side, there's an advanced search filter, which allows the DFSO to quickly locate a specific FPS by entering relevant details, such as the FPS ID, FPS name, or other criteria. By clicking on the eye icon next to any FPS, the DFSO can view its month-wise stock movement details. This includes key information like the truck arrival date at the FPS, the order number, truck number, challan number, receipt number, the commodity delivered, and the received quantity. This feature ensures full visibility and tracking of food grain delivery to each FPS shop. The sixth option is Available Stock at FPS. When you tap on this feature, you'll see a complete list of all FPS shops under your jurisdiction. On the right-hand side, there is an advanced search filter, which helps the inspector quickly find a specific FPS by entering details like FPS name or ID. By clicking on the I button next to any FPS, the inspector can view that shop's last month's stock summary. This includes commodity-wise details such as the received quantity, opening balance, distributed quantity, and the closing balance. This feature helps in tracking stock movement and availability at the FPS level with full transparency. The seventh option is FPS ratings and feedback. When you tap on this feature, the inspector can view all feedback and ratings given by beneficiaries to FPS dealers through the Mera Ration mobile app, whether positive or negative. These responses are displayed in one consolidated view, making it easy for the inspector to monitor the performance and public satisfaction level of each FPS. On the right-hand side, there is also an advanced search filter, which allows the inspector to filter feedback by FPS name, ID, or even rating type, to quickly find specific entries. This helps in identifying issues or appreciation received from the ground level in a transparent manner. The eighth option is Vigilance Committee List. When inspector tap on this feature, he will able to see the Vigilance Committee list with such details like name, mobile number, designation. The next option is Standard of Food Grains by Government of India. When you tap on this feature, you'll get access to the official guidelines published by the Government of India regarding the quality standards of food grains, such as wheat, rice, bajra, and other commodity. These documents can be viewed directly within the app or downloaded for future reference. This feature helps ensure that all stakeholders are aware of the quality benchmarks set by the government for public distribution. The last option is My Inspection Report. Using this feature, the inspector can conduct on-the-spot inspections of any FPS shop under their jurisdiction. The inspection form contains a set of basic parameter-based questions, which the inspector needs to fill during the visit. Based on the responses, the app automatically calculates a scorecard for that FPS, which may be classified as excellent, average, or poor. This feature helps in maintaining regular monitoring and ensuring quality compliance at the FPS level. This brings us to the end of the Inspector module walkthrough of the Anna Mitra app. The app is designed to empower inspector with real-time insights, efficient monitoring, and better control over FPS operations and grievances, all in one place. We hope this demo helped you understand the key features and how to use them effectively. Thank you for watching.